I made my own paint. Squee! I love making colors. Hello everyone and welcome back to Sarah's Abstract Expressions. My name is Sarah. Today we're going to be doing an open cup. Because why not? I have done 3 string pulls and I'm going a little crazy. So here we are. First things first, I need to grab my stir sticks. This fly can go away. I'm very sorry about him in advance. So I can add silicone to my colors. I'm not going to add silicone to these actual containers. I'm going to pour some in a cup, add silicone, stir the schniz out of it. That way I don't have silicone in my actual paint, because sometimes I don't want silicone in all my paints. Problem solved, in my opinion. But yeah, it's a small canvas, so I don't need too much paint, which is nice. The colors I'm using are on the lid. So this is Folk Art Peridot Pearl and White Pearl because I did not have enough Peridot. This is Artist's Loft Light Magenta. Again. This is Riotech Purple and Folk Art White Pearl that I mixed together to get a very, very pretty color. I think anyways. This fly is driving me nuts. I have some alizarin crimson as well. I'm very sorry about the fly. Oh my goodness, he's driving me insane. Whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a few drops of silicone to all of these. I'll add a few to the ones that have more. Add like 2 or 3 of these ones. 3, 4, I guess, by accident. This fly is really driving me crazy. Wow. Okay, so now that I've added my silicone, see, there's different theories about how to do it, and there's people that mix the living poop out of it, and then there's some that are like, just stir it in gently. I'm like, okay, I'll go for the second, because then I know what's actually in there. And I'm not particularly using the best silicone in the world. I am using Argan Oil of Morocco Miracle in Shower Oil by OGX. Here's the bottle. We got it at Walmart. I don't remember how much it was, but it has the dimethicone in it, I think. Oh, it has the cyclopentasiloxane in it and cyclotetrasiloxane, which are 2 different forms of silicone. And there's people that use dimethicone, there's people that use polysiloxane like I am. There's just different types of silicone. Different centistokes give you different size cells. It's very sciencey, I found out. So now, if I can open it, I put grip strength on this for some reason. I will put my weight base down. And to get more of an evenness to it, I'm not actually going to spread it today. I'm just going to tilt it to get coverage. Whee! Okay, I guess I need a little bit more white than I thought. Whatever. That's no big deal. I'm not too sure if you guys can see him buzzing in frame or not, but he's being so annoying. Darn flies. Whatever. This is going a lot easier, that's for sure. Ooh. Get that corner. So I don't put silicone in my white, just to make my life a little bit easier. It doesn't really need it anyways. It's just a base color. I usually like to use white or black as a base. And I know I'm not really showing you how I'm tilting it, but it has to be kind of dramatic because the canvas is so dry. But, okay, well, I'll just kind of do that with it. Grab. Okay, see if I can get it to level itself out now. Yeah, that's a bit better. Oh, he's crawling on my leg. Stupid fly. He's like, no, you shall not paint. Okay, so now I'm just sealing the edges and corners. And I didn't grab any paper towel, but that doesn't matter. I shall put this down now. And off we go. Where shall we start? I'm going to start with the pearly purple. I'm going to add... I really need paper towel. Poo. Oh. I'm going to add white to this just to differentiate some layers here. But only between some, not all. I'll do green. Pink. Good. And now we restart. So I don't need, like I said, I don't terribly need too much paint because I am using a 9x12. So 9x12s don't really take that much paint because otherwise they go all funky and then that's no fun. Green, okay. Brain fart, no big deal. Ooh, it's starting to leak out, neat. This will be the last layer since it's starting to leak. Pink. Red. There. I'm gonna let it do its thing. Just wipe up the edges of my cups though so they stop dripping all over the place. I want to see what happens. Maybe if I just try to lift up. There we go. I'll just lift up the other edge a little bit. Try to get to leak out the back. So the silicone is coming to the surface on its own, which is nice. I feel like I should add some white on top just to add a little bit of contrast here. There. That looks better. Make it more sandwichy. It's so neat to watch it leak out. You can see the different colors coming in. Like you can see the purple rings around the peridot, which I find really cool. Wow. Multi-layered cells. Wow, it's even doing like some weird things in here. At least my palette knife's clean. I can do something neat in here when it's done. I just don't want to lose all these cells because they're so pretty. See what happens if I lift it up a little bit more. Oh, it just leaks out pretty fast there. Will it reach the top and bottom edge on its own? Would be kind of neat, wouldn't it? I also could just lip it. Right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna use my pellet knife. It's a better option. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm just making a star. I'm gonna drag a swirl through it. Ta-da! Okay. Should I tilt and torch or torch and tilt? Torch first. Yes, I got one finally. Happy! Let's see. Like I said, I don't want to lose all this amazing sellage that's happened, right? And I don't want to get it all smushy either. Ooh, there's a big chunk. I'm gonna have to dig out of here. Okay. Well, at least I have an edge wrapped. Kind of. I guess I should have only done the first layer in hindsight. I don't know what they say about hindsight. It's 2020. Guess this still is super, super awesome though. I will say that. Back edge is covered. I'll just get that corner with my finger. Everything else looks pretty good though. I'm going to shift that a little bit because it's not in my original spot. I guess I'll torch it again and see what we get. Because there's some green and stuff popping up. I'm going to take these gloves off first. I have my tweezers. Sorry for the bit of an abrupt stop. Kind of had to just chill for a minute. So this is what it looks like after the second torching. All the cells decided to come up and it looked so cool. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comments below. And also if you have any ideas that you'd like me to incorporate in the future, share with your friends to spread the love. Like this video if you like this painting. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. Bye!